this video, we will show you how to solve Apache down or HTTPD down issue in WHM root. Sometimes you find that in your WHM root server, Apache is down. If you check the service status page, you will find HTTPD is down and your website displays this site can't be reached. There are three methods to solve Apache down issue. First is log into your PuTTY via SSH access at root level and then run the following command, that is service space httpd space restart. This command will restart the Apache server. If even after running this command Apache is not up or Apache is not reinstated, then we have other solutions. For that, first of all, log into your WHM root and then go to Restart Apache section, which is given in your interface. So go inside Restart Services and then click over Apache, that is HTTP server. Now from here, click over Yes to confirm the restarting of Apache. In this way, Apache will be restarted successfully. If still Apache is not up or Apache is not restarted, then we need to reinstall Apache module, that is mod RUID. For that, go to your Easy Apache 4, which is given under software, and then click over customize in front of currently installed packages. Now from here, click over Apache modules and then search for RUID. You will find an Apache module which is mod_RUID2. You simply need to uninstall this module and then click over next. Finally, go to review and then click over provision at the bottom of the screen. After some time, you will find that this module is now uninstalled successfully. Click over done and then again install this module. So go to customize and then again search for the same module. Make sure that if this module was already uninstalled from before, then you need to reinstall mod_suphp module, SUPHP. Now coming back to our process, let us install this. So repeat the same process and then click over provision. In this way, this mod_RUID module will be reinstalled successfully. Once this is done, your Apache will work smoothly and flawlessly. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to get rid of these Apache, HTTPD and other issues, then simply switch your hosting provider to redserverhost.com. We have experienced professionals who keeps your websites always up and running.